So today I am going to be making some wraps, and I really wanted to make this pun at 10 o'clock last night, so I am making shortbreads because they're short and they're bread. So yeah, let me just get on to making it. Here are the 6 of them. I personally like how this one turned out. You can just hear the crinkliness. And these ones are pretty good too. This is the biggest one I made. So they can be pretty big because I think this plate is about, 8 to 10 inches across? My hand is like fairly large. So yeah, now I'm gonna go eat them.